In this video we're going to be learning how to do my favorite kind of petal, and it looks a little something like this. To create this petal shape, you're basically doing the same movement as the basic round petal. But then instead of doing it in just one smooth motion, you want to create a little wobble while you're creating that shape. Practice this petal a few times so that you get comfortable with it. If you did leave out a little space just at the bottom of your petal, which can sometimes happen, you can just use the very tip of your brush to kind of fill it in a little bit. These petals are great for most flowers, roses or pansies, but I particularly like using them for hibiscus flowers. So to create that flower, start off with one petal, and then just like the other flowers, start on the edge of that petal to create the next one. Like most flowers, you just want to create 5 petals. If you've left kind of a small space for your last petal, you can just go over the last one that you did and just kind of fix it up with your brush. So that's how you create the shape for your hibiscus. But I kind of like to use the darker colour on the inside of my flower. The reason for this is because you want to have a little bit more depth coming from the inside of your flower, because hibiscus flowers do go in a little bit deeper for the stamen to come out. So of course you can just leave your flower like this and add some glitter or whatever else, but I want to outline it and add some extra details. So just using a number 2 brush and some black, I'm going to start outlining my petals. Once you've created your nice wobbly little outlines on your petals, it's time to add the center stamen. And so basically this is just a long curved teardrop. Make sure that the point of your teardrop is on the outside of your flower and that the drop is nicely in the center. Create some little lines coming from the stamen to make it look like it's really sitting inside the flower. Also add a few little dots at the top of your stamen as well. Now it's time to add some highlights or whatever extra details you want to add. Once you've finished adding all of your other highlights and details, that is your hibiscus flower all done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial, and remember to subscribe to our channel if you want to see any more of these one-stroke workshops. And of course, all of these products and one-strokes are available on our website, which is www.bodyfxshop.com.